How to fix Snapchat account locked. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this and scroll down and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, click data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop. Click also OK, and what you should do right now, guys, go to your home page of your phone, and then what's next, you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.